Hi, hello, welcome. This is Vivek from Money Machine, wishing everyone a good day ahead. And after 2 weeks, I'm kind of feeling well. My health is getting just better, and the profit and loss statement for this month as well. And only yesterday, we just became net positive for the month. It was a very hard month so far. It was a very hard month. So, we'll have a look at the open interest initially before going into the price action. So today some amount of puts have been written, but yesterday if you look, calls everywhere, all the way upside, calls written on every higher strike. And today some puts being written, but calls heavily written at 37,000, indicating Bank Nifty to close below 37,000 on the date of expiry. But that's fine. When compared to yesterday, today I guess there should not be a lot of downside move. And 37,000 has added a lot of straddles altogether, cumulative open interest, and we'll now go see the price action. Okay, so if you could see, this was yesterday's low, and Bank Nifty has exactly taken support at yesterday's low, which is a good news. And as long as yesterday's low is not broken, I'd not be bearish. And if 37,250 is broken, then I'd go bullish. And we'll have a look at the Nifty as well. Nifty is kind of different. It has broken the day's low in the very first candle, but after that it has come back. But I'm expecting the day's low not to be broken. Looking at the bullishness and looking at the open interest, the time is around 10:50, and Bank Nifty is still holding on to the day's low. It has not yet broken the day's low. So from a low of 36,654 to almost a high of 37,250, so almost 500 point range so far has been formed today. And exactly at this point, which was the resistance yesterday once and twice, which was also yesterday's close, Bank Nifty has taken a resistance once again at that area 37,250, and after that it has fallen. As far as the open interest is concerned, we should not see a break of 36,900 or 36,800 for today. So at least 36,800 or 700 should not be broken. Looking at the open interest, a lot of puts been added at 37,000, calls as well. So I am expecting Bank Nifty to sway plus or minus 300 400 points from 37,000 for the day. The time is 12:20 and Bank Nifty gave out a fake breakout as it broke the day's high and yesterday's resistance of around 37,250, and this candle it broke the resistance, and after that it's just been negated by the very next candle itself, and it has fallen around 100 points from the day's high. So seems like resistance is just stiff, and this was merely a fake breakout. Open interest, not a lot of change, and one thing significant to note is put unwindings at 38,000. And once again, I am expecting Bank Nifty to come into the range, and I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to break 37,300. Now I expect Bank Nifty to retrace back to 37,000. Time is 1:25, approx 1:30. So as I said back then, Bank Nifty after hitting a high at around 37,300 has fallen towards 37,000 and it's rising once again. So this indicates once again the straddlers are very strong at 37,000 and they are pulling the price back to 37,000, which is acting as the magnet. So coming back to open interest, seems like calls have been added heavily during this fall. But once again, the puts at 37,000, very stiff. So once again, that's what I'm telling. Bank Nifty, I'm expecting plus or minus 300 from 37,000. And if day's high is broken, that might further fuel the rally. The time is around 2 and Bank Nifty is once again trying to break the day's high permanently, but it's unable to. And this instance is almost same as the one that's happening right now. If you could look at the candle at 12:05, that's exactly the same as the previous candle 1350. and the candle that's being formed 1355 is almost exactly the same as 1210. So I think the resistance is very stiff and it's getting stiffer. Probably this is yet another fake breakout, but we'll wait and watch. It's 304 and Bank Nifty is just not able to go upside. It's just trying to break, then comes back. It is trying to break again and it's coming back, and for the third time it tried to break out, but it has come back into the range once again. And these are the positions, and MTM swings were really huge today. And if I end the day with around 25,000, I'd be happy. So I'll just update around 325 just after I close my position for the final time today. So that is it for the day, 21,506.25. Today was a bit tricky, so I'm just happy for this profit. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.